Can I sit down? Want to give me a little room? This is Bob. He just got back from the parlor last week and got his hair cut. He's been spending a lot more time indoors. This is Bagel up here. I don't know if you can see him behind me, but they both found a spot on the couch, not leaving me much room today. But today, I'm going to show you how to make your own shooting stop or shooting bag for your crossbow or your pellet gun. I find they work very well. DIY, cost efficient. Basically, you need a bag, some rags, and some zip ties, and it'll stop a crossbow bolt. Like I said, I use them for my air rifles. I would imagine it'll probably stop a .22 long rifle. I haven't tried that, but they are pretty solid. But yeah, you can go to the store, and the one I bought at the store when I first got my crossbows cost me $50 and then tax. So it was over 50 bucks. And I finally figured out that basically it's a vinyl block that they've stuffed full of rags tightly to stop the bolt. Regular archery blocks don't work with a crossbow. The bolts will penetrate so far that the flights or the fletchings on the back will go in, and it'll ruin your fletchings. And when you're paying $8 to $10 a bolt, yeah, you don't want to be wrecking them. Or I don't anyways. I don't have a lot of money. But yeah, let's go out and get to it. Hopefully this helps you out and saves you some money. Things you're going to need for today's project to make your own shooting stock is an old feed bag. These ones are like a vinyl texture. They don't fall apart in the rain. Paper's not going to work. Like I said, you could probably use burlap sacks too. Some zip ties. And what you're going to need too is some rags. I might keep the old jeans. I make the shooting bag, bean bags out of those. But t-shirts, just old t-shirts, stuff that's you don't wear anymore, too small for you. And this is what we're going to stuff the inside of the bag with. So let me get the stuff in the bag and I'll show you what the bag looks like when we're done. Excuse the wind noise if it's there, but this is the bag when it's done. When you put the rags in there, stuff them down as tight as you can. I just push them down with my arm. But I put a few colored dots on here, and this bag actually comes with a target right on it. So we'll take a few shots with the Grizzly II here and see how it performs. Well, there you have it. How to make a quick and easy shooting stop for your crossbow or your bow and arrow or your pellet gun. I would imagine even those bags would probably stop a .22 long rifle. I haven't tried it, but they are pretty tough. Nice thing about it is when it's the outside bag is wore out, you've shot it too many times, you just get another bag and you cut the zip ties off of that. Take the rags out, put them into a new bag again, and you have a brand new shooting rest. Total cost, price of zip ties, I guess, as long as you have a bunch of old clothes or old t-shirts or whatever to shove in that bag. But I hope this helps you out, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next video on these DIY tips of saving money. Hunting doesn't have to be expensive. But y'all have a great day, and we'll see you again soon. So you can subscribe by clicking the little fox, I think he's over here, or if you want to watch another video, you can click on this over here. Somewhere around here anyways, like one way or the other.